Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Kershaw Debris. And before we get any farther, so make sure to subscribe down below and keep in touch with all of our upcoming videos. This model features a 2.75 inch D2 blade. I really like that D2 is becoming kind of like the new basic steel that's really good edge retention, incredibly durable, and just all around a fantastic steel without paying a whole lot. It's about 6.5 inches overall. Really good size. It is a little bit on the smaller compact, but I can still get a pretty comfortable grip on there. Has some pretty sweet lightweight FRN handles. Nothing super fancy, but nice textured and grippy. Love that ultra deep carry pocket clip that you can reverse to either side. And it only weighs at 2 ounces. That is crazy. Perfect to just drop in the pocket and use it whenever the need arises. And of course, it's got the back lock that is incredibly durable, known as one of the strongest locks to any folder knife. Nice little thumb studs on there. Really good smooth action. Just all around a super fantastic knife, especially for the price. Kershaw knows how to do it. So make sure to get your new Kershaw Debris today at Blade Ops.